Good morning students, welcome to online class. Hope you are keeping well by the blessings of God. So students, today I am going to teach you English literature from your Beehive book, chapter number 6. That means the poem number 6, No Men Are Foreign by James Kirker. So guys, in my previous lecture, I have already explained each and every stanza of the poem, and the poem consists of 5 stanzas. So all the 5 stanzas I have explained, and what is the content of the poem I already discussed in my previous teaching, and hope you have understood it. So today I am going to tell you the theme of the poem, or what does this poem mean, or what does the poet wants to convey to the readers through the lines of the poem or through the stanzas of the poem. The poet wants to convey to the readers about the humanity, about the segregation or racial feelings, about the discrimination amongst the people in the society, caste, creed, color, which the poet does not like. He does not like this segregation, this discrimination should practice in human society. And the poet wants to say through the lines, repetition of lines are also there. He wants to say that we are the members of the same family, and that family is the global family. So why we introduce ourselves as strangers or foreigners? Why we call them foreigners, or why they call us foreigners? This question does not arise, the poet wants to say to the readers, or the poet is asking this question to the readers, that why we are, or why you are using the word foreigners, or you do use the word strangers. Because the same sun, the same moon, the same Galaxian bodies, we do witness. In the morning when the dawn breaks, the same sun we do see every morning. In the night, the single moon, the single sun. In the night also, the same moon we do witness. We do enjoy the moonlit night. We all, the entire people of the world, the same stars, and the wind we do breathe the same air, water, lake, rivers, mountains, hills, ocean, seas. So why do we introduce ourselves as we are strangers, or we do call others they are foreigners or strangers? The poet says, undoubtedly, there are differences of color, that means the complexion. But he more says, through this line, he has said that beneath all uniforms a single body breathes. This line carries a lot. Through this line, the poet has conveyed a deep meaning to the readers, that beneath all uniforms, here uniforms, it is symbolic. That means color, complexion, or maybe the physical structure, our language, that is different. But only one characteristic the main chief feature that is, or the chief feature that is, that we are human beings. We have the same biological structure. Our blood is red. Only our language, that is different. Color, that means the complexion may be different. Someone is black, someone is little dark, someone is brownish, someone is white. So the poet says that we should not inculcate that feeling of segregation, the feeling of discrimination. We should not cultivate the feeling of hatred, jealousy, greed. And if we do practice it through warfare, through conflict, through rage, through fighting, that means we do betray each other. Because the poet has presented here through the poem that we are all brothers and sisters. The poet has emphasized the fraternity. The poet has emphasized the brotherhood, harmony and unity through the lines of the poem. Repeatedly, he is saying, repeatedly, he is using the words, the repetition of words are there. Repetition means the poet is giving stress over those factors or those phenomena. So that is why he says, remember, they have eyes like ours that wake, or sleep and strength that can be won. Remember. To whom he is addressing? To the people of the world, to the readers. He is addressing as, remember. You should not forget. You remember that the same eyes, whenever here I do wake, or I am waking in the morning under the same sun. I witness the same sun. And when you do wake in the morning, you also witness the same sun, the same Galaxian body. So why there is question of stranger or foreigners? No men are foreign. The heading of the poem is no men are foreign. So that is why the poet, he wants to create an awareness amongst the people of the world. He wants to create awareness. You have to be aware about your existence, that you are human beings. So guys, this is a message on behalf of James Kirkup, because James Kirkup, when he was born, the First World War, it was going to end during that time. That means when he was born in the First World War, it was over when he was born. But he has witnessed the Second World War. That means he has seen the disaster. War means man-made disaster. You have already studied natural disaster and man-made disaster in geography. So war is man-made disaster. He has witnessed the disaster, the devastation of war, the hatred, the brutality, the starvation, the killing, the devastation. He has witnessed. That is why he has presented the poem through the 5 stanza. He has revealed his feelings in a very vivid manner and in a very outstanding manner. He is very much successful to present the poem because he was the witness of the warfare. He was the witness of the devastation of disaster. That is why he has emphasized those feelings, those aspects of human beings, that brotherhood, good qualities, brotherhood, harmony, fraternity, and the negativities, those are hatred, envy, jealousy, disaster, devastation, killing, murder, bloodshed. Those are the negativities of human beings. And the positivities, brotherhood, harmony, fraternity, unity. So, this is a message. The poem is a message on behalf of James Kirkup to the readers.